Imagine conjuring moving images from your thoughts. Picture a world where your imagination is the only limit to what you can create. A place where your ideas can come to life in vivid, moving pictures, all with just a few clicks. Sounds like science fiction, right? Yet here we are. In this age of rapid technological advancement, what once seemed impossible is now within our grasp. The future is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Google has unveiled Veo, an AI video generator. This groundbreaking tool is set to revolutionize the way we create and consume visual content. It's not just another piece of software, it's a game changer. This isn't just software, it's a new paintbrush for our imaginations. With Veo, you can paint your dreams onto the canvas of reality. It's a tool that bridges the gap between thought and creation, making the impossible possible. It translates ideas, stories, and dreams into vibrant videos. Whether you're a storyteller, an artist, or just someone with a creative spark, Veo can help you bring your vision to life. Imagine turning your wildest ideas into stunning visual narratives. And the best part? You can access this power for free without watermarks. That's right, no hidden fees, no annoying watermarks. Just pure, unadulterated creativity at your fingertips. Veo simplifies video generation, making it accessible to everyone. You don't need to be a tech wizard or a professional filmmaker. Veo's intuitive interface ensures that anyone, regardless of their skill level, can create beautiful videos. You don't need to be a filmmaker. All you need is an idea. Veo takes care of the rest. It's like having a personal video production studio right on your computer. Just think of the endless possibilities. Veo fans that spark into a flame, crafting breathtaking visuals. It takes your initial concept and transforms it into a polished, professional-looking video. It's like magic, but it's real. Think about the possibilities. Educators, storytellers, and artists can all benefit. Teachers can create engaging educational content. Artists can explore new mediums, and storytellers can bring their tales to life in ways they never imagined. High-quality video production is no longer just for those with expensive equipment. With Veo, you don't need a high-end camera or a powerful computer. All you need is your imagination and a desire to create. Veo empowers you to become a creator. It gives you the tools you need to express yourself and share your vision with the world. It's a platform for creativity, innovation, and inspiration. This journey will guide you through harnessing this tool. We'll show you how to use Veo to its fullest potential, from the basics to advanced techniques. You'll learn how to turn your ideas into reality, step by step. Tools like Veo are extensions of our creative faculties. They enhance our ability to think, imagine, and create. They are the future of creativity, and the future is now. Prepare to unlock a new dimension of your creative potential. With Veo, the only limit is your imagination. So what are you waiting for? Dive in and start creating. The universe of AI video awaits. Step into this new world and discover the endless possibilities that Veo has to offer. Your journey into the future of video creation starts now. Our first step is to find the Gateway Google AI Studio. This platform is a treasure trove of AI tools and resources designed to empower creators, developers, and enthusiasts alike. Open your web browser and type in the URL for Google AI Studio. It's as simple as entering any other web address. Once you start typing, your browser might even suggest the site if you've visited it before. Press enter and you'll arrive at the AI Studio homepage. Here you'll find a sleek and intuitive interface welcoming you. Log in with your Google account. This step is crucial as it personalizes your experience and keeps your project secure. If you don't have one, creating a Google account is straightforward and free. Just follow the prompts to set up your new account. Logging in ensures your creations and preferences are saved. This way, you can pick up right where you left off anytime. Once logged in, explore the various models and tools available. From machine learning models to data visualization tools, there's a lot to discover. Our focus today is on Veo, but appreciate the broader ecosystem. Each tool has its unique capabilities and applications. Accessing and logging into Google AI Studio is crucial. It opens up a world of possibilities for your AI projects. With your Google account, you're ready to explore the studio. Dive into the tools and start creating. The digital doors are open. and the tools for creation are within your reach. Embrace the journey and let your creativity flow. Now that you're in Google AI Studio, let's locate Veo. Look for options like Generate Media or Create with AI. Click on this and you'll see a gallery of possibilities. Navigate to the section labeled Explore Models or Model Garden. Scan through the available models, looking for Veo. Veo V2 is often available for free, with limited testing capabilities. Once you've located Veo, click on it. This will take you to a dedicated interface for the Veo model. Here, you'll find the controls and input fields to begin crafting your videos. You've arrived at the control panel for your AI video director. The power is almost in your hands. With Veo selected, you'll see the input prompt section. This is the heart of your creative process, where your ideas begin to take shape. Imagine it as a blank canvas, waiting for your artistic touch. This is where you communicate your vision to the AI. Think of it as a conversation where you share your thoughts, and the AI listens attentively, ready to bring your imagination to life. The more precise your description, the closer Veo can get to your intended scene. Details matter. They are the building blocks of your visual story, each one adding depth and clarity. Type out what you want to see in the text box labeled prompt. Be specific and vivid in your descriptions. The clearer your vision, the more accurate the AI's interpretation will be. Describe the subject, action, setting, mood, lighting, and camera angle. These elements are crucial in painting a complete picture. Think about the atmosphere you want to create and the emotions you want to evoke. For example, instead of just writing a cat, describe it in detail. Is it a fluffy white cat with blue eyes sitting on a windowsill bathed in morning light? Experimentation is encouraged. The more you play with details, the more unique your story becomes. Alongside the text prompt, you can upload reference images. These images act as a guide, providing the AI with a visual reference to better understand your vision. A reference image provides Veo with a visual anchor. It helps ground your descriptions in reality, making the AI's output more aligned with your expectations. This synergy between text and image is where the magic happens. By combining both, you create a richer, more nuanced visual story that captures the essence of your imagination. Don't be afraid to iterate. Your first attempt might not be perfect, and that's okay. Each revision brings you closer to your ideal vision. The process of creation is often one of refinement. It's a journey of continuous improvement, where each step is a learning experience. You are learning to speak the language of the AI. The more you practice, the more fluent you become, and the more effectively you can communicate your vision. The more you practice, the more stunning your visual stories will be. Embrace the process, enjoy the journey, and watch as your creativity unfolds in ways you never imagined. Let's delve into the power of reference images. This feature elevates Veo into a more controllable creative partner. Uploading an image provides a powerful visual guide. Veo will incorporate the style, elements, and feel of the image into the video. For example, upload an image of a futuristic cityscape and provide a prompt. Veo will use the visual cues to inform its generation process. This leads to coherent and visually striking results. Reference images offer increased control and specificity. They transform the process into a more guided form of co-creation with the AI. Let's refine your masterpiece with settings and negative prompts. Adjust the aspect ratio to suit your intended platform. Choose the video duration that fits your narrative needs. Sometimes a short, impactful clip is more powerful. Use negative prompts to exclude unwanted elements. For example, add blurry, low-quality text watermark to your negative prompts. This helps filter out undesirable elements. Mastering these settings gives you greater control over the final product. Experiment with different settings across generations. Each adjustment is a learning opportunity. The more you refine, the closer you get to your perfect visual symphony. With everything set, it's time to generate your Veo video. Click the Generate button to start the process. Your request is sent to the Veo model. Your request will often be placed in a queue. The platform will indicate your position in the queue. Patience is a virtue here. When the generation is complete, the platform will notify you. The standard output format is typically MP4. The first time you see your idea transformed into a video can be awe-inspiring. You've successfully navigated the interface and crafted your instructions. This is your creation, born from a collaboration between human ingenuity and AI. Let's explore an alternative, Fluorafona. Fluorafona offers its own suite of tools for creative content generation. It's good to have options in the rapidly evolving field of generative AI. Fluorafona often operates on a credit-based system. They frequently provide introductory free credits. Pay attention to the types of video models they offer. The process will generally be similar to Veo. Sign up, navigate to their video generation tool, and input a text prompt. Check their terms of service regarding watermarks and usage rights. Having alternatives means you're never reliant on a single platform. The goal is to find the best tool to bring your vision to life. Let's consider the difference in quality with and without reference images. A text prompt alone can yield impressive results. However, the AI has to make many assumptions. Introducing a reference image increases quality and specificity. The video becomes a visually guided creation. Make full use of Veo's capabilities, especially with reference images. Share this guide with others. The more people who understand these tools, the richer our collective creations. The future of content creation is being written today. Continue to learn and experiment. Go forth and create.